What is conditional formatting? First, when a particular condition is satisfied, show the cell like this. What is formatting? Format is nothing but what we saw initially, because it is not only this type of formatting like general, number, currency, account. Apart from this, we also have background color, the font color, okay, the font, bold, italic, underline. So all these are also formatting. So when a particular condition is satisfied, you use the you it should highlight. It should highlight in a particular font, particular format. That is particular whatever you want. You can customize the background color, you can customize the font color, everything you can customize. So that is how. So that is actually the main purpose of conditional formatting. When a condition is satisfied, the cell should be formatted in a particular manner. So that is condition. This very simple example. So just one by one the questions. So the first, so what it is, it is a member name. So we have three members A, B, C. Bracket you have to give what date you want. You have to give a comma. Then bracket like you put triple D, you will get short form MON. But if you want full form Monday, like that you want, you put Monday. But you want only short MONPUEWD, na? You put only triple D, that will be enough. So this is one more formula you can actually use. So this table shows the member name. It shows the dates. Below that, what day of the week it is: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And it's showing something called attended. And below it, we have attended. So this means whether this person A has attended the office on Monday or not. That is the meaning of this. So now we want to do something using to do something in conditional formatting using this table. Tick mark and cross mark for present and absent respectively. Now tick mark means when a person is present, then I should have a tick mark against him. That yes, here it's come a tick. Yes, present. If the person is not present, there should be a cross. That is the first thing that they are asking in this question. So how do we do it? In this formatting phase font, that is here you see Cambria, right? There is one type of font called Webdings. So you can select that. WEB, like type that is not Webding. In Webding, this everything is like this one. Everything. Okay. Now, if I type A, I'll have tick. If I type R, I'll have X. Okay. Now, if I other things also will have different symbols. For example, zero na is having something like this. 9 is having something like this. Um, this is actually for hyphen. This is also for equal to, like that. It has different keyboards character. It has different fonts. Okay. So but for us we want only tick and into. So we want only A and R. So for example, I format Webding. I type A, I get tick mark. I type R, I get X mark. Okay. So that's it. First question is solved. Correct. So what I have to do, I just have to select the entire area. I have already put the data as A and R, so that will be easy for us. A and R. Now I have to just select the full data. This person A has attended office on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but he is on leave on Friday and Saturday. Sunday is in your holiday. Then Monday, Tuesday he has attended again, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday he was on leave. Saturday he attended. That's it. So I hope this is clear. Now we will do one more small formatting. Everything you bring it to center line, center alignment. So everything should be in the middle. So you can go to alignment like here in the middle one button is there, right? Center. You can do it. Shortcut is I think Control C. Sorry, not Control C. You can use Alt H A C. Now let us look at the second question. Conditionally format the attendance as below. So what should happen if it is present? This actually, please listen to me. If it is present, I should show A. I mean, I should show the tick with the green color font, the green color border. If he is absent, I should have a red color font and red color border. So this is my objective. How to do it? For that only we will use conditional formatting. Let us actually start with cell number C13. You click on cell C13, go to conditional formatting. All these things we will look at it later, but for now we are directly going to new rule. Okay. In new rule also we will directly go to this one. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. So this is actually the easiest way to complete. So I'm giving you the easiest way. All these things we will see little bit in some time. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here you have to give a formula. Now, this is where actually when the first day we learned the truth table, true, false. Then we did some exercises. We learned and all. This will come very, it is very helpful now. See, now what is the format values where this formula is true? That means here I have to give some condition. If this condition is true, so first what we need to do is we need to give a condition. Press equal to select the cell. This is a cell. See, firstly, which cell I am selecting? I am selecting this cell. That means the conditional formatting will be applied to this cell. Now, after that, I'm going to give the condition. So this Monday, this C13 should become green color when C13, the same cell C13 equal to 8. I hope you understood this one. Now let's say that now the condition is satisfied. Now the condition is satisfied is present. Now what should happen? Firstly, I should have a font size, space, font color should be green color. So when you click on this format option, you get this same thing. The Control Shift F font is correct. Same thing you will be getting. In that you can actually go to first thing I need is font color. So font, go to font. The font there is this color. Here you can go and select green color. Let's select this one. The next thing it is asking is a border one. Go to border. In here you just select this last one. This is actually the maximum thickness that it can go. More thicker than this, it will not accept. So you select green. Select where you want to apply. For example, I want it to come at the top of the cell. I want it to be at the left. I want it to be at the right. I want it to be at the bottom also. Then I give OK. So now the preview you will see. Now I give. So now you see it has become green color. I remove it. Now the cell border also has become green color. Got it? Now let us go to the next one. Now if it is absent, it should show R. R should be there in red color. Right? Now I click here. I go to conditional formatting. Go to new rule. I go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So this rule will be applied to cell number C13. Okay. Now C, because I have selected C13 only and gone to this conditional formatting. So it will be applied to C13. Now what is the condition? The condition is C13 is equal to R. Go to format, font, color I have to give red color, border, I'll select the thickest one possible. I'll give color of it, the border should be red, at the top should be there, at the left, at the right, at the bottom. I give one. Okay. So the preview I can see. I give okay. Now if I type R, if the person is absent, changes to red color. Now the question is not only for cell P13, it is for all the cells. So what is the next thing I should do? I should copy it and I should paste it here. Okay. Now let me change this to A. Color is not changed. Okay. Now tell me, can I will just show you this one? I'll just show you what is the rule that I have given and tell me what is actually wrong with this. There is something wrong here. Purposefully I did it wrong. So tell me what is wrong because I copied here and I pasted here. But the color, when I have tick symbol, right, it becomes green color, but it is still coming red. Change the rules. Already you have set one rule. Now you have to change. Now you select the cell, go to conditional formatting. At the bottom, there will be one option called manage rules. Click on it. Here you will have correct selection and this worksheet. Current selection is what you have selected, what and all rules are there will appear. If you have worksheet, then full worksheet, whatever rules are there will appear. So let me go here, edit the rule, come here. Now I can press F4 itself to remove. I should lock like this. Okay. I go here, keep edit rule, click in this. Now I'll give I give apply. Huh? Now I copy this, I paste it here. Now I change the color to pink. Yes. Now it is working. Okay. But you see there is another one problem. See, this person has actually come Tuesday, he has come already. Okay. But when I copy, when I paste it here, it is showing that he has not attended. So now again I have to go and put picture. So, okay. So this is not right, right? When you're actually dealing with a huge database, already data will come like this. Now again if you go and you have to change, I copied it, I pasted here, I put Ticknight is coming, I put a Garnight is working super, no problem. But look what initially that he was present, but I copied, I pasted, now he showed absent. So how do I resolve this issue? Paste special is what we have to use. We have to copy this, You have to go to D13. You have to press Control Alt V or paste special. Here an option is there, right? So Control Alt V. That option you have to click. Here you have to give format. Okay, format. So now only that has changed, but if I click format, it will work. Okay. So now I'll copy this one. Format. Control Alt V. Format. Go to conditional formatting. Go to manage rules. The new rule. Go to the last one. Here you select T12. Okay. Equal to sun. But now you need to do the correct locking. So what we should do is we should lock only the cell number only 12 we should lock. We should not lock C. The reason is now when I copy and paste it down, it will be in row number 12. It should not move to row 13. This should not become 13 or 14 or 15. It should be 12 only. But when I copy it to D, this should change to D. I hope you can understand this one. When I copy paste it to D, I hope you understood. So fill red color. Now I copy it, go everywhere, paste, formats. Enter. Okay. Now if I change this to Sunday now, it still it will also become red color. Okay. I hope you understood. So you have to go to conditional formatting. You have to go to new rules. This new rule last you have to select here. Now you have to give where this value is true. So you are giving a condition equal to, I'll say this is equal to Sunday. I'm giving red color font. Okay. Now I'm giving okay. Got it. Now what I'm doing, I'm copying this and I'm pasting it formats here. Okay. Now let me go and see what is the rule that is updated there. See, if C12, let's say, let me copy it and let me paste it here. Format. Give enter. Let me see what now. Let me change this to Sunday. See, both of these are changing to red color, but I have to only this has to change to red. This should not change to red. Why it is changing to red? Let me go and see manage those. This is actually saying C12 is equal to Sunday. That means this one, this when I copy it from C to D, this is not moving from C to D. That because why I have locked it. That should not happen. So I have to let it free. So what I do, I go to manage rule. So this rule, I change it. I remove the lock for C alone. Okay, okay. Now you see, right? Now I change this to Sunday. Only this is changing. This is not changing. I change this to Sunday. Only this is changing. This is not changing. Others are also not changing. So my formula in that case is right. I should lock C. That is the first. Now I should lock 12 also. I I should not lock C. Sorry, I should not lock C. Now we should lock 12. So why? I am I am copying that and pasting it at the bottom. We go and see what is the rule that is there. See here, it's showing C12 is equal to Sunday. C12 is equal to Sunday. Yes, correct. It's correct only, no? Because if I put Sunday here, so this row should be red. So that is why we should lock C. But sorry, we should not lock C, but we should lock 12. Because when I copy paste it to the next cell, the C should change to D, it should change to E because these are the values it should refer to. But when I copy paste it below, it should still refer to 12. I hope now you understood this point. Yeah, okay.